आय लीग सिजनाचे पयले मॅचीन स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवा मुखार काय मोठे प्रश्न उपरासल्यात। पयले काय मॅचींनी विदेशी खेळगडे खेळटले म्हणपाविशीं दुबाव आसा। कॅप्टन केटा आनी खडेगाड खेळगडो ओग्बा कालू दुखापतीक लागून भायर आसात। नवो स्ट्रायकर बॉंग बेट्रेडाचो खेळ बरो जावंक नाशिल्ल्यान ताकाय टीमींतल्यान भायर काडला। चवथे विदेशी खेळगड्याची सुवात अजूनय रिकामी आसा। आयतारा ईस्ट बंगाला आड मॅचीन स्पोर्टिंगाक बरीच कास्तीक पडटलीशी दिसता।
But for the beginning, we have some little problem about the players, like injuries problem. But anyway, we trust our friends. I hope they will do well. Then the upcoming game we will be ready for it. Especially like me, I have a new injury for that now, and Kalu also is having like fever, and we like almost playing like without foreigners for this first game, so it will be a little difficult for us. Yeah, but right now about our foreigners, the third and fourth foreigner, I don't have any idea about it because of there's something that I don't understand about the team. But the other foreigner, the striker who was playing for us, I don't know about this situation, and we need to get one Asia player. Still, we did not confirm any player, so I hope they can get some player because we need a foreigner.
So it's going to be tough then?
Yeah, without foreigners it will be tough for us, So we need like Asian player and one more foreigner like that who can help us.
And in the I League it will be even tougher then if you don't have...
This year it will be tough because almost all the other teams they complete their foreigners. So we have to complete our foreigners also.
It's not like so difficult if we concentrate and if we give our hard work. So it's gonna be a better, and we will show our best in our game. So it's not like big issue. So we are not gonna consider big player or small player. We are just gonna be the same. And in our training we are just taught that. So never consider all players are the same. 11 versus 11, we play the same. We play a normal game and simple game, and we're gonna go further.
When you defend, you will be with Keita in the defense. How is that first of all? And given the injuries with him and Kalu and the other new players coming in, is it going to be tough to gel with the foreign players?
It will not that, but it will be little because 1 year last year I've already been like with him, so I've little understand with him. So we will, but like little trouble will be there. So we have to because we don't have any choice. So we'll do our best.
आंतर प्रसार माध्यम इंडोर खेळा मेळाव्यान हेराल्ड पब्लिकेशन जिखले। ऑल इंडिया रेडिओ उपजैतिवन थारल्यात। 3 दीस चलिल्ल्या ह्या मेळाव्यान बुद्धिबळ, कॅरम, बॅडमिंटन आणि टेबल टेनिस सर्ती जाल्यो। स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवान खेळा प्राधिकरण आणि खेळा खात्याच्या जोड पालवान हो खेळा मेळावो घेतिल्लो। तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.